We're going to start off today with our mashed potatoes because they'll take the longest. So we're actually going to make our potatoes and our pear puree at the same time. So we're just going to come over and take our pan and fill it about halfway up with water. And we'll turn our back burner up to about 8. We'll come back and we'll wash our potatoes to make sure that all the dirt is off. And then we're going to come over and pull off any eyes that might have grown. We'll discard those. And then we're going to cube our potato. I'm going to try and cut both sides equally so that our potatoes will all finish cooking at the same time. Now we have a smaller potato here, so we won't cut them in the same amount of times. Cut them like this, and then we will drop them into our water and boil them until they're soft. Right, while we're waiting for that to happen, since we're going to be roasting our potatoes, our pear puree, we're going to turn this up to 350. And we're going to take our lemon. Now we're going to cut our lemon in half. And we're going to put our strainer right over this small cup and squeeze out our lemon juice. Now the reason why we're doing this is that seeds and pulp will come out, and it will be much easier for us to simply discard the seeds rather than try and pick them out of the juice. We're going to take our front burner, and in our small saucepan, we'll just turn it up to about 4, and we'll cut off a tablespoon of butter. And we'll let that melt. While we're waiting for it to melt, we'll go ahead and start chopping our pear.